I'm conquering one of my biggest fears. I'm terrified of chickens. I'm going in the chicken lot. I had ducks when I was a kid, and they tried to flog me, and that's why I'm terrified. That one's looking at me funny. Okay, this ain't so bad. Y'all are beautiful. I'm in the other chicken lot, and they're actually very nice. They're beautiful, ain't they? Oh, we got some up here sitting. I bet they are. There's two of them. Are y'all laying eggs? Oh, y'all ain't letting them set right now, are you?
No, it's too hot.
Can I get y'all? Then we got these pretty ones. Is this fixed where they can go in and out? Oh, okay.
No, they're mean.
Oh, them's the mean ones. Okay. These are the mean ones. So y'all have to keep them separate. Okay. And these are the littler ones, right?
Yeah, and they like those like the other chickens too when they're out.
Oh, okay. So these have to stay separate because they're mean, and these pester the other chickens. So maybe y'all was the ones I should have been scared of.